Welcome to Learn Wealthy, your go-to channel for real estate insights, market charts, and golden opportunity. Let's build wealth together.
How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to your channel, Learn Wealthy. Today, we're going to clear up some confusion around two economic terms that you've probably heard a lot: CPI and PPI, Consumer Price Index versus Producers Price Index. What are they? How do they affect you? Let's break it down. First up, CPI, or Consumer's Price Index. Think of the CPI as the price tag on the stuff you buy every day. Groceries, gas, rent, clothes, basically the things that affect your wallet directly. CPI measures the changes in prices for a basket of goods and services that an average consumer buys. It's a great way to figure out how much more or less you're spending this year compared to last year on the same stuff. So if you've noticed your grocery bill creeping up, the CPI is probably going up too. And when CPI rises, it is what we call inflation. Hey, you might actually see prices going down, though when was the last time that happened? Except maybe for avocado toast. Maybe because millennials apparently can't get enough of it. Now let's talk about the PPI, or Producers Price Index. While CPI measures prices from the consumer's point of view, PPI tracks how much producers are paying for the goods and services they need. Think of it as the price companies are paying to create the things you buy. It's basically the wholesale side of things. Here's an example. Let's say you love eating pizza. CPI is how much you, the pizza lover, are paying for the slice. And PPI is what the pizza shop owner is paying for flour, cheese, sauce, pepperoni. How are CPI and PPI connected? They're related, but not exactly in sync. If the PPI goes up, meaning producers are paying more for materials, they might eventually pass those costs on to consumers. So you may see CPI rise later. But sometimes producers absorb those costs for a while, or maybe they find ways to cut costs. So CPI doesn't always follow PPI right away. In short, PPI is like a crystal ball. It can give you a glimpse into the future changes in consumer prices, but it's not guaranteed. Why should you care? Well, these indexes are crucial for the understanding of inflation and economic health. CPI tells us how inflation is affecting you directly, while PPI gives us an idea of what's happening behind the scenes with businesses. If CPI is high, your wallet feels the burn. If PPI is high, businesses might be struggling with higher costs, which could lead to price hikes later and the consumer getting affected later on. So if you see PPI spike, then your morning coffee gets more expensive next month. Don't say I didn't warn you. So that's the lowdown on CPI versus PPI. Two different ways of looking at prices. One from the consumer's perspective and one from the producer's side. Understanding both can help you get a better picture of where the economy is headed. So what do you think? Are you more of a CPI person or a PPI person? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like. It will really help me make more of these videos. And please subscribe for more finance, investing, real estate, and macroeconomics. And hit the bell to know the latest trends. Until next time, please keep an eye on those prices, and I'll see you in the next video.